Hello everyone, welcome back to another short unboxing and review. Today in this video, I am going to short unboxing and review iQOO Z9x. So at first open the box, we got our smartphone, then some IMEI sticker, then we get one soft case, then some paperwork, then one USB Type-C cable, and the last 44-watt fast adapter. And as you can see that my smartphone is light green color and this one also available black and white color. So first up, talk about the build quality. The smartphone built with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame. The smartphone featuring a 6.72-inch 120Hz LCD panel with 1000 nits peak brightness with a resolution 1080 into 2408 pixel, and the smartphone powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC with 6GB of RAM and 6GB virtual RAM and 128GB storage, and the phone running Fantas OS 14 with Android 14. Let's move on the camera section. The smartphone comes with dual camera setup in the back, 50MP main camera and 2MP depth sensor, and the front is come with 8MP selfie camera, and the smartphone secured by side-mounted fingerprint scanner and face unlock. And the smartphone comes with huge 6000 mAh battery with 44-watt fast charger. So that pretty much for our short unboxing and review. And full review coming very soon. So make sure subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't miss this video. So I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.